Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Driving in Lagos. Welcome to our channel. If you've not subscribed, please kindly do so. Thank you. This is raw documentary. This is a Dashcam documentary. Join us and drive with us as we journey to Ojodu Bega from Bagada. This journey is from Bagada to Omole Phase 2 in Bega, that's Olowora area. As you can see, it's a clear day. We have clear skies. It's a very sunny day too. So yeah, the sun is, in fact, it's a very bright afternoon. The sun is as hot as possible. Enjoy the ride. We'll go through, this is New Garage, so we're going from New Garage using the ramp to Lagos Ibadan Expressway. And then we head towards Ogudu, Alakbere, K2, that's my 12 area. We'll just bypass my 12 to where they call 7 Up, to Magodo area, to Otedola Bridge, and then to Bega. And then we'll take our right down to Olowora. Enjoy the ride. Once again, if you've not subscribed to our channel, we upload videos every week showing you real-time updates in Lagos, showing you real-time conditions of Lagos roads. So once you go through our channel, you see all our videos and expect more to come. Every week we have something for you, and every week is a new journey, every week is a new route. Enjoy the ride. See you on the other side. Thank you. So as the journey continues, on my right hand here is Oworoshoki, popularly called Oworo. Then on my left hand side is Bagada, Ifak or Bagada. So this is Ibadan, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, heading towards Ibadan. The traffic is free flowing, as we can see. It's not rush hour. If you pass this road by 6 p.m., you will spend a lot of time. In fact, you will surely spend a lot of time. But in clear day, afternoon time, or around afternoon, the road is quite clear, unless there's an unexpected obstruction on the road. That's the only time you find it difficult to access, just like every other road. If there's an obstruction, maybe a car has broken down on the road, or a trailer at worst, or a container has fallen, then in fact, the traffic will be longer than River Nile. So enjoy the ride. Like I said, this is just a raw documentary of a road trip. Lagos roads are good though. Don't let anybody deceive you. Lagos roads are good, especially the expressways. Almost every expressway in Lagos now is as good as what you can see. It's so good. The government is really trying in Lagos. We should commend them when they do good. They deserve it. The government of Lagos State, when it comes to road and infrastructure, they are really, really, really doing good. On a very sincere note, we must commend their effort. Not every state can boast of good roads like this.